Hello everybody, today we're doing a basic unboxing. I received an email from a company, Seesii, I hope I'm saying that correctly. This company reached out to me saying they would send me a tool if I can showcase it on my channel. It looked like an interesting tool. So basically this is what they sent me in a box, pretty heavy duty. They sent me in a box, pretty heavy duty. It's basically a cordless storage box, but it's basically a cordless oscillating tool. This is pretty awesome. This is useful in the drywall world. I can use this to cut out patches. It basically comes with the instruction book just like anything else. Let's open this all up. Basic unboxing of this 21-volt battery. So that's nice. So that way we could charge it. Most of these oscillating tools, they come with a cord, so you have to plug it in. So it's going to be really nice to have a cordless drill. I don't know if this is to plug it in. Looks like you can charge it through here. Let's see what's in the box here. Bunch of different attachments. I'm sure you can buy more of these on their website, but this is a standard tool. I'm going to use these to cut drywall patches out, cut pieces of drywall out, so that's why I was really happy to get an email from this company, because it's going to be really useful in the do-it-yourselfer home improvement world. Use this bit, maybe this bit right here probably will be the best one for cutting out drywall, so I'll probably have to try these two bits to see which one will cut out the patch. I know with these they do make a little bit of dust when you cut out the drywall, but this thing's pretty impressive and pretty heavy, so I'm already liking this. Looks like they have a adjustment here. Put the battery in. It might not be charged enough, but we want to see if it's charged so we can actually see it work. Looks like there's a light on it. Looks pretty impressive so far. I don't know what this latch is, maybe a quick disconnect, so that's awesome. It has a quick disconnect attachment here, so if you're in the field and you're trying to use it to cut out something, you don't have to go and get a Allen wrench. I know most of them use like an Allen wrench. I just got to figure out how to attach it here. It looks like you have to get this fully opened up, get it attached. But yeah, so far I'm impressed with the size, how heavy duty it is. It looks like it says a brushless motor, so that's good. But yeah, let's get these attached, see how it does. Charging, it looks like you have to actually take the battery off. Has an indicator here, indicator light, to see if it's charged enough. Looks like I have to pull this off. Looks like to charge it, you plug it in here. So more likely I'm just going to let it charge up right now, get it nice and charged up, and then we'll put one of these attachments on. It comes with several attachments. Looks like a bunch of sandpaper, triangle sandpaper. I don't recommend using these to sand drywall, 'cause it will probably be too aggressive. But all these pieces here, these would be awesome for doing a multi-tool cutout, cutting out patches in a wall. It will make a little bit of dust. That's the only reason I don't really use many of these in my videos. But now that I got one, a cordless one, I'm definitely going to take it with me in the field. And my next video that I do, that I have to cut out a sheetrock patch, square up some walls, stuff like that, I'm definitely going to use this tool in the field. But this is just basic unboxing. I'm going to go ahead and get one of these things attached here and to show you how we attach it. I had to actually read the instructions here to how they get the accessory pieces in. This latch here, which is good because it's a quick latch, so if you're in the field you don't have to pull out tools to just switch out. But the lever you have to pull all the way back. I don't want to do this at first, but yeah, pull it all the way back, then you can switch it out. I know my other multi-tool I had to put like little O-rings, not O-rings, like metal washers in this to keep it in place. But you can move it in any direction, however direction you want to go. Once it's in place, then you take that lever, pull it down, and then there's a locking bracket here to push it in place. Then it's secure. So there's settings here, so if you don't want to be as aggressive. Oh yeah, too tough. definitely going to use this on some drywall, cutting some drywall. But yeah, so far I like it. So shout out to this company, Seesii, for sending me this brushless 21V cordless multi-tool, oscillating tool. I'm definitely going to use this in the field since it comes with a nice heavy plastic box and all the attachments. I can go ahead and throw this in the work truck. Nice full charge, grab and go tool for basically cutting out anything. I know like other stores, Harbor Freight, they sell a cheap one, but you have to plug it in, which is fine if you want to run an extension cord. But for me, this is what I need in the field, is a cordless tool like this that I can just throw in my truck, grab and go. I don't have to run extension cords to the patch I'm cutting out. This one, it looks like it has, if you want to really get into it, I don't think I'm going to be getting that crazy with it, but it gives you the option to do right or left-handed handle here. So it's pretty heavy duty. I'm holding this thing, it's pretty heavy, solid material. Longevity, I don't know, because I just got it. So we're just going to use this in the field. I'm going to go ahead and get this thing charged up really well, and then the next time I'm out in the field doing a drywall repair video, I'm definitely going to post a video of me cutting out a wall. Especially when I get areas that are jagged, I have to go there and straighten them up with a level pencil and cut out the sheetrock nice and straight. So that's when this tool will come in handy. But yeah, so far I'm happy with it. I can't wait to use it. I'm actually excited that I got this tool yesterday. That's when you know you've been in drywall too long, when you get excited about getting drywall tools. Also, there's other companies out there that think they have a product that I can use in my drywall channel. I'll definitely make an unboxing video like this, and I'm going to make videos of using the tools in the field. I'll also leave a link. If you got an Amazon link or a website link, I'll leave that on the page with the description of this. If it's sold on Amazon, I may leave an Amazon link. So other companies out there, if you want to send me tools for my drywall repair channel, since I have 10,000 plus subscribers, you can reach my email here on my page and go ahead, show me what you got, and then I'll showcase it. I'm interested in tools and stuff I can use in the field. I'll definitely show your tools, your products, even drywall materials, knives, stuff like that. Or even if you're a company that's making clothing, anything to do with construction, industry, home improvement, I'd be more than happy to showcase your product. If your product's also no good, I'll also make a video of that. So make sure you send me quality stuff. Thanks for viewing. Basic unboxing of this Seesii oscillating tool. We usually call them multi-tools. Instructions here. I'm the kind of guy that puts stuff together and then I read instructions after. But always read your instructions. If you use these before, it's pretty self-explanatory. I use many drills. The only thing I had to read about was actual latching to get the accessories. But yeah, I'm sure online they sell different ones. I know I had one before that I had to use, like in a tile, I had to cut grout out of a tile. So these tools work for stuff like that. Here's a little one. This one looks pretty cool, really fine detail, small cuts. But I think this one and this one will be the main ones I use for cutting out sheetrock. Like I said, they do make dust, but most of the dust is contained. It doesn't make too much airborne dust. It makes heavy dust that falls to the ground. So if you do use one of these, put some plastic down. You are going to make a little bit of dust, and that's why I don't showcase using these in a lot of my videos, because I know they're dusty. But with this, I'm definitely going to use it. So shout out to the company for sending me this, and I'll definitely show a video of me using it in the field doing drywall repairs. Hey, thanks for viewing.